Getting clients for your social media marketing business requires a combination of strategies and efforts to build a strong client base. Here are some steps to help you acquire clients for your social media marketing services. Define your niche. Determine your target market and niche. Specializing in a specific industry or type of business can make you more appealing to potential clients who are looking for expertise in their particular field. Build an online presence. Establish your own strong online presence on social media platforms and your website. Showcase your expertise through content, case studies, and testimonials. Potential clients are more likely to hire you if they see that you can effectively manage your own social media presence. Develop a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your past work. Include case studies, before and after results, and examples of successful social media campaigns you've managed. This will help demonstrate your skills and track record to potential clients. Networking is crucial in the social media marketing industry. Attend industry events, webinars, and conferences to connect with potential clients and other professionals. Join LinkedIn groups and participate in online forums related to your niche. Offer free workshops and webinars. Host free workshops or webinars on social media marketing topics. This can help you showcase your knowledge and skills while also attracting potential clients who are interested in learning more. Content marketing. Create valuable content related to social media marketing and share it on your blog, social media channels, and through email marketing. Consistently producing high-quality content can help position you as an authority in your field. Leverage social proof. Encourage satisfied clients to provide testimonials and reviews. Positive feedback from past clients can significantly influence potential clients' decisions. Cold outreach. Reach out to potential clients directly through email or social media messaging. Personalize your messages and highlight the value you can provide. Be respectful and not overly pushy. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with social media influencers or bloggers in your niche to promote your services. Their endorsement can help you gain credibility and exposure. Advertise. Consider using paid advertising on social media platforms to promote your services. Target your ads to reach potential clients based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Offer free consultations. Provide free initial consultations to potential clients. Use this opportunity to assess their needs, offer insights, and demonstrate your expertise. Follow up. Don't forget to follow up with potential leads who have expressed interest in your services but haven't committed yet. A polite and timely follow-up can often convert leads into clients. Referrals. Ask your satisfied clients for referrals. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be incredibly effective in getting new clients. Be patient. Building a client base takes time. Be patient, persistent, and continuously work on improving your skills and offerings. Remember that building a reputation as a trustworthy and results-driven social media marketer is key to attracting and retaining clients. Building and maintaining strong client relationships can lead to repeat business and referrals, which are essential for long-term success in this field.